Suppose you have to multiply a whole number with a mixed fraction. So in this question we have 3 as a whole number. This is a whole number, and this is a mixed fraction. This is a mixed fraction. So whenever you have to multiply a whole number with a mixed fraction, the first step would always be that first change this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So change it into an improper fraction. So this will be 2 times 3 plus 7. That is, first you multiply 2 with 3 and then add 7, that is numerator, to this multiplication and keep denominator as it is. This will be 6 plus 7 by 2. This will be 13 by 2. Now the second step will be, now you can multiply this 3, that is whole number, with this improper fraction, that is 13 by 2. So this will be 39 by 2. Now you can write this number into an improper, into a mixed fraction, and that will be, you divide 39 by 2. This will be 2, 1, so here 1, get 1, 9, and 2, 9, 18, so 1. So this will be, you have remainder here, so simply write remainder as numerator, and then you have this 19, you have 2 this as a denominator and 19 here. You'll put it like this, and this will be your mixed fraction. So the first step will always be to change this mixed fraction into an improper fraction, and then multiply that improper fraction with the whole number, and then again you can change it into a mixed fraction. Let's take one more example, and let's say this time we have 7 times, you have say 2 and 3 divided by 5. So the first step will be to change this mixed fraction, this whole number, this mixed fraction, change this mixed fraction into an improper fraction, into the improper fraction. So this will be 5 times 2 plus 3 divided by 5. This will be 10 plus 3 divided by 5. This will be 13 divided by 5. The second step would be, now multiply this 7, that is whole number, with this improper fraction. So you'll get, if you multiply 7 by 13, this will be 21 and 9, 91 by 5. Now you can write this 91 by 5 into a mixed fraction, and that will be by this step. Divide 91 by 5. So 5 times 1 is 5. You'll get 4 as a remainder. 41. 5 times 8 is 40. If you subtract this, you'll get 1 as a remainder. So this will be, your remainder will be numerator, your 5 will be denominator, and this quotient will be written here. This is your answer.